Yes, sir. What are you saying about your victory today?
Oh, well, I think it's been an incredible set of results across the city of Manchester. Mine is a new seat, and I am really proud to be standing here as the first ever Member of Parliament for Gorton and Denton. I realise that there's a huge task and a huge responsibility that's been placed on all of us in the Labour Party today. We've won a historic victory, and we've got a mandate to change. But we've got to make sure that we follow through on our promises and get that better, fairer, more equal Britain that we want and that people have voted
And
for.
what is your thought about the Palestine and Gaza? Your Labour Party.
Yeah.
What is the plan?
So I want the next Labour government, the new Labour government, to stand tall in the world, and that means ensuring that we use all the diplomatic efforts that we've got at our disposal through our membership of the United Nations, the Security Council, the Commonwealth, the G7 and all other international institutions to raise the plight of the Palestinian people. The first thing that we can do is ensure that the state of Palestine is recognised by the United Kingdom and in the diplomatic world, and to encourage those talks so that we get a two-state solution. But before we get that, we need to ensure we get that permanent ceasefire in Gaza, and we get that aid in the quantities that we need to avert an even bigger humanitarian crisis. That is achievable, as is the release of the hostages.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.